Hello my dear student. Now this is our second video of first unit. In before past video we will see the what is exactly VHDL. VHDL means the very high speed integrated circuit hardware descriptive language. In this video we will discuss the basic history of this VHDL. That is from where is VHDL will comes. In the history of the VHDL, it is observed that the requirements for the language were first generated in 1981 under the VHIC program. In this program, the number of US companies were involved in designing VHIC chips for Department of Defense, that is DoD. At that time, the most of the companies were using different hardware descriptive language to describe and develop their integrated circuit. As a result, the different vendor could not effectively exchange design with one another. Also, different vendor provide DoD with a description of their chips in a different hardware descriptive language. Reprocessment of and reuse was also be big issue. Thus, a need of standardized hardware description language for design, documentation and verification of a digital system were generated. A team of three companies, that is IBM, Texas Instruments and Intermetrics, were the first awarded the contract by the DoD to develop the version of the language in 1983. Version 7.2 of VHDL was developed and released to the public in 1985. There was a strong industry participation throughout the VHDL language hardware development process, especially from the companies that were developing VHIC chip. After the release of version 7.2, there was an increasing need to make the language an industry-wide standard. Consequently, the language was transferred to the IEEE for standardization in 1986. After substantial enhancement to the language made by the team of industry, the university and defense Department of Defense respective, the language was standardized by IEEE in 1987. The version of the language is now known as IEEE Standard Language was standardized by IEEE in 1987. Officially, the language description appeared to the IEEE Standard VHDL Language Reference Manual made available by IEEE. The language described in this book is based on the standard. The language has since also seen recognized as an American National Standard Institute, that is ANSI standard. The Department of Defense since September 1988 require all the detailed application specific integrated circuit suppliers to deliver the VHDL description of the ASICs and their subcomponent at both at behavioral and the structural level. The test benches that are used to validate the ASIC chip at all levels in its hierarchy must also be delivered in a VHDL. This set of government requirements is described in a military standard 454. That is the complete history of VHDL. In short, you can see that the first requirement will become in the year of 1981 for the DoD, Department of Defense. On the basis of that, some different companies will provide their hardware descriptive language to the DoD in 1983. After 1983, in 1985, the 2 to 3 companies, that is IBM, Texas and Intermetrics, these 3 companies were combined together, joined together, and they make one hardware descriptive language, and they provide this language to the DoD, Department of Defense. After that, Department of Defense that give this language, which is provided by IBM, Texas and Intermetrics, to the IEEE for standardization. And then in 1987, IEEE gives a proper standardized IEEE language, VHDL IEEE language. And then from 1988, Department of Defense will goes to hardware DCP language is standardized by IEEE. So that is the complete history of this VHDL language, that where how this VHDL language will becomes. And I think that you have to well known about this language, that from where it comes, how it comes, and how it get work. Okay, thank you so much.